and I was me about Kunsuha. Said it was your church and on more than so. Chris Brown and tell me now did you say
family life. Yeah, group.
Oh, okay.
The rap makers.
The rap makers. Muna mo ya rap. Rap maker. Muna mo make you rap. Eh, sa ko dey ti o, madam. Yeah. Obra from wo. Chano pa no, ma unia ma me ton kai. Na sa fa sai. Madam fo. Prekese madam fo. Be, wo bi wa ha o. Me do be ko se sia o, no mo do wa ton kwan wo. Wa so be she fucking. Also ya rap. Munya mo kuma se ya. Wow. And then come watch no me the mobile fra. Ba me start if you champion. Papa. Last week and top K Zach Lilwin manager ba say o mo je adwuma ye. And Sakura na him say internet for na peke. So what I say. And then also now Boss Nation and we feel ho. And then you person until also side of the story. Shots there under 1 minute.
I think say block is not some normal kind. I think say the story no kind Ghana web story. The source in the middle can about the two.
Okay.
Based on the source from Kumasi and exactly top King Kumana.
Okay.
But me see me can see ko Johnny Zach in Jumai.
O chairman madam for over 2,000 man up there na.
Debbie. Papa obanyum tu ni ma ya na no many times say won na be meeting aka say. The friend the hype. Yeah, the hype and
okay.
It makes me like a block and so high and simple or meeting here that far. Yeah, per se a traffic in my site. So what I say.
Okay.
A man called for by
okay.
And I did a bit promo man, you know, quick to judge people. We try to look at the comment from people on the internet. And it makes such a headline. But currently, no, means there's no situation. There's a matter there. But we are trying to solve it secretly.
So you mean to tell me that Zach and Lilwin are still working the top together?
They are still working, and but they're not talking together.
Top K is also working under Boss Nation.
Top K, currently, Top K is Boss Nation. But I'm sure Papa, you say your Boss Nation, you're Wizzy Empire.
Wizzy Empire, Lilwin, yeah?
Wizzy Empire, Lilwin. I put my Wizzy Empire by and they say, I think it's not Boss Nation. I mean, I'm PR for Boss Nation. Okay. Everything about a coding, I mean, Empire. I got my Kojo who say, so Kaya and Che Murabino, Top K, Numbi. Emma, actors no be brave. If I know, say, you bought you made 80 hours. You bought your man, so much for me, Jina, season cassette, Koduna, my boot by Koduno, when I will come up with Ghana, Koduna, no Hoshi. Can say, okay, mammy comedy. County, say, the million say, I say, 80 or man of 1 million, okay, Bufu Kojo. Okay, it's a big mark of and say, okay, so the piano or Boss Nation here, baby, nay, the best way or no could do it. Any idea the bass, I didn't know one tenner. So,
Kojo Cotton was planned by
it was planned, it was some, it was a decision. I confirmed this from Kojo and Sana, but they don't want to make us a
So, Zach was here telling me, say, Kojo without their notice. Top K was also saying the same thing, so Kojo, I want to be a Wizzy Empire. So you are saying a different story. So move to Ghana for any and what are you talking?
This is what I'm saying. Lilwin's confirmed speak to me.
When?
Then I'm on any Kasa in Adechi.
Okay.
Many me brought in Kasa. I don't want to say it was a confirmed from Zach say. I know there be a Boss Nation, a bay near the other show, no reason a corner day. A bay young corner, Zach, Kojono, Cornus creating it the educate to be a bay under the Boss Nation. Mustn't patch the making what else. And no one answered the Diabane in your Wizzy Empire. And a son will be on first the end of the Emma Bo or no cancer.
Okay.
Anything about Wizzy Empire, Wizzy Empire, the Boss Nation, the back. I won. And they Wizzy Empire.
Okay, Boss Nation, back on my own and then Wizzy Empire. Last week, enter chats. Papa J and Zach Dinko, and Zach confirmed. Say he's no more working with Kojo Kansala. So you are right sitting here, say, and it's true now, the thing was planned. So meaning say, because of Zach and you know they are quick to judge, you know, and I'm here this controversies about air. Now man for
not controversy coming from their camp of management. It's a man for the distance between Lilwin and Zach. Good. And the blockers and other sides they are picking up to create image.
Or charming, then of your Boss Nation.
Okay, me currently from Boss Nation today. Last time I catch it out. Okay, you couldn't see what's on papa. Na obia de akomapa na esunku ba na nkofo pe Kojo ho animunyam.
Okay,
enti obia fa se menua korosete yi So me fa chorus once a man go paint chorus e dey actually control. That was what was going. E dey na cause for Boss Nation ni. Yes sir, we dey watch the control. Uncle program bi wo Peace FM Park program bi.
Okay.
As a PR, my uncle program bi. Nti me delegating strong. So uncle Facebook live, me those can handle social media stuff and money. And so uncle likely first. And you may see over no. But say the better video.
Okay.
But baby cause so likely say you see painting your man the chair could do.
Okay.
Once I could do on my Facebook will be here cause could do my friends say social media.
So you mean to tell me say Lilwin back Facebook and social media?
Could you make us Facebook? Maybe or down the phone to say naturally will be a more kind be a no be actually many times no. And you need plan all the explanation here day.
No, I will never buy this idea, Charlie. Me no me in Kojun cancer Lilwin.
Yeah.
Nobody. Obi any ho bit maka say Kojun cancer can never read and write.
Kojun reads and write.
Good. He understands whatever. Obehu.
Papa.
There's no way
Lilwin parts ways with his manager. Okay. Because Kojun bet me kind of work there, but I tell you it's a reason cannot understand.
He will. Trust me. Lilwin part ways with his manager.
Me say I dey over say Lilwin manager. People say
Meba.
Lilwin manager.
Say they say what Boss Nation and so who Wizzy Empire.
No, I'm not either on Boss Nation, I'm not on Wizzy Empire. My starting the camp Sin City, Bonnie Crew. And only will camp. Okay. Young chorus.
Yeah, we're fine.
Now I want to say. All right.
Hey, now Papa Kumasi no wasa about Kumasi here for me.
Hey, who be down? And crime grow. No India. I don't make a India. I practice one and tell me I know two. John Chia, Papa Kumasi FM, and Rakrani who changed the other day. Chorus. Oh, Wizzy Empire or Boss Nation?
I don't say, first let me womb, now the time of Boss Nation. Look for it. See, the quiet, no, Masaba back, but me back, no. But to say Boss Nation, no. That's how I'm the branch be a friend of Wizzy Empire.
Okay.
I see, explanation is the man mentioned, say, Boss Nation, no, like, on one I creative Wizzy Empire, and Wizzy Empire, branch here, and share. I said, Boss Nation, I want to buy a Wizzy Empire.
Okay.
Oh, and Timmy saw to me, friend, because then I demand for the past 6 years in it. Oh, Timmy never coin a banner VIT. So I go back to the hour. On also now, it came from the beginning. I'm starting to say, Nancy. As I can't ever see Boss Nation. The Boss Nation, wedding, I bet you crime. No, send me some back now in the day. Every age, my sister and war. Wizzy Empire, say, Wizzy Empire war. Boss Nation, Mudia, and the morning.
All right, Wizzy Empire or Boss Nation. As I said, Lilwin has only Boss Nation already.
Oh, so only Boss Nation, mini Boss Nation, and Yaka. Mini Boss Nation, and Yaka, because we edit Boss Nation.
Free Boss Nation, you have if you want to send to come.
Boss Nation, only from Nanya and to come, but a queer say, I'm a percent, you may say, I'm not meaning Yama. So they are Chame, no Chame come. On say, you put the only Panama idea and answer a day. Oh,
okay.
Be an answer will be our home. Until we are so, there are so many ways to pay a cat. We do how they will poor people to come at the call. We see the call, but not the other call. Okay. You know, because I'm casting back up into another day. Or we are from your money, as I say, you need any problem, but we might home. Say, we say, on a bed until you bed.
Because one I don't buy, you probably do back. Nasa when your problem will be a cool more. On an airplane, on a cassa, one I don't buy. Now, why did you leave? Let's say, Kodum Casa, one Casana, Sana, Air Costo, one Casana won't pay. Only win your problem. Only win your problem. Young Chorus problem, and only win your. You can quite remember that say so many problem or problem. I problem, and only the win. All right, Matty, only the win your problem there, Matty. Yambra, life. It's more young life for days. I must say.
Come on, Kumasi next to delay.
You can watch us live on YouTube at Papa Kumasi TV. You're live straight. When you're just come on up as our show, you're Papa Kumasi TV on YouTube. To see it's live.
Live tattoos.
Straight. Now, what kind of tattoo? There's an essay. Let me try my out. Tattoo, yes. Bama, would you buy the say?
For me, Isaac.
Isaac. Wow. I'll take my say. Who go school?
School,
KTI. Stubborn boy.
Yeah.
And I also did this and Ben Kakaran.
FM Prince.
Prince. Who's go school? Ah. I know what come to our home. One of them T squares a P square. No Buddhist, yeah. Wow. And who is the leader and then who is the assistant?
Yeah,
the leader?
I say,
Put in account. Wow. Put out T Kuna in account. Mordecai and you'll be about any single out?
Oh, yeah, currently, Yapuno track.
Okay, currently, only Yapuno track. Sir,
very nice.
Or you scans and no record.
Oh, but actually, Pono from a car.
Me too,
Pono from a car into last night. I said, no, with the game.
I should have insurance cover. Then I say, also know the track, and I'm on the same track. Munna was the same track. So, wow. Yente and your or Emirates is our life and your intimacy.
But you be able to meet a kid, locally monster. Some Canada, me round. And all that about Tia, the chong, na me de back the more group pound and I put to use what. We making money, so if you don't want me, so enemy, so le, oh lo, beside it, solo, solo. I'll take you to London. I'll take you to where you want to. I'll take you to Norway. I say from Cape to Medina, Saudi Arena to Marina. Yeah, you arena. Carolina and yeah, you arena.
Wow.
I say Poland, that's why I guess a pompo.
Hey,
Mushiana and Co. Sexy things and I may talk. Say I see a doom Ketiana Wobo. So they were pen member people so. But the tona say I was a brap him so. You open so. A cocoa, dear crap him so. Mama cool labor. Mama will be a penny in your check. I'll be a true savior. We share life and the apuna, ube boom, watch it. But,
hey, yeah, wow, life. I see a cocoa, dear cranny in Kenso. I'm doing the best. That's a few wow. I see my video video shoot in my when I direct it.
Yeah, you shooting.
Oh, okay. Yes, so Trekuma say at Tutunima, I hate him. It's me, I'm not going to any management. That's what champion. Champions and
I feel like I see yes yeah I feel
and I also be over mama with him one jamba ko a since town so we are since city we are since town at your own factory wow young chorus and they say what's up back to Boss Nation that was when But 3 months now, what's about back? One more problem of Boss Nation, no more Casap now.
Oh, me know beer or Boss Nation, me know we are from beer, that's what I said. Me know beer, that's a bit. What's the name? The future and all Jamaican. And the idea.
Why don't you try and see young girls?
I wouldn't know.
Of the
Maybe more beer, we are in Bapoli.
and Azak,
Only no.
top gear, or charming. Yes, one. Wow. Oh, okay. They say we are under Boss Nation.
Yeah.
One Casa was single tracks are one lazy.
Yeah, mom single track I'm very easy.
Me was about that's a solo kuru.
Yeah. And I'm 30 years, me and down.
Me a down. And also so no na under Boss Nation answer a one Casa what they now here.
And not one say me free Boss Nation no. Let me say the team and BBF from BBF fine.
Okay.
I see. I said me that 2 crack.
Okay. They say what do BBF not to and I saw about Boss Nation.
Yeah.
What's your final words for your fans out there?
Then best me try me catch on here and say among us no support here and say they must support it from the beginning no. That is your name will be fine.
Yes, say Zach any question cancer ejuma. And then I'll catch it Zach and then I'll catch it.
Oh, you make catch on me say me dear. Say because say me the many and not my son to say I am person by ejuma ya na intro.
Okay.
You who is but say you go how they are omni pay for no. Also I'm trying to almost okay everything out now. Okay, the way I see it follow.
Okay. All right, Achame.
Papa,
unkoma awudie no onse me no problem. Because asama wo kan me nim de wo pese wo chire. Also because of quick to judge. You said it one here. Because of quick to judge. That is why I Lilwin is like akabo ma planet o me tuntutum Ghana for any. So mo kontokwa. Na nyom na hate. Na say nyom mo nyi ni so be hate ana.
And now I'm bloggers and the social media guys. Afa.
So you think saying that to the public?
Say and but currently, me nka se bibi ni ho bibi wo ho.
Bibi na wo ho na pese wo bie santoma no so.
No, that's how bibi. Papa he ya akoda mpanimfo yi say e pese o munina aba.
Se ho kire me.
So asamo mention him say yentu hu e obi dwem. They say yentimi ntutu hu because ye na group pa cha kwan so aye dey. Ye pa cha.
Na obegugu da.
Papa Kumasi.
Baby out here ni e Kumasi e fana papa Kumasi na ka say.
Me ya sure pa akro bi adeshi.
E be wa starting. Yo, na me pese me hu say. Who free Boss Nation. Sana Lilwin ko Zach Ejuma. Good. Oh, ha na o say so mo Ejuma.
No, ha na ma say so mo Ejuma.
Ana busa Zach ko say.
Me busa manager say manager confirm mo ma.
Woni na kasa.
Me na kasa.
Nti wo say on.
I think say Zach reply them say ye ntwe wo ye fasting bia. Anything bia wo wo bia no the out after the fasting. Okay. And now only Lilwin so kasa e. Reason so the Zach make country for me. Into almost nyanya any confirm Zach that's you.
But last week they were here and then almost said Busumuru showcase they say manage Lilwin.
My papa makes me say Zach any kojojuma ejai. Obi obema na ye ni debia no. Na minimum nipa kro no like na adwena the motive away dey. But makes me akese susu pin pan. Say I think say Boss Nation ni mu no. Any kojoni top KD is almost yadam for but send namni nambi meeting at some adwuma. Say the first na top KD kojo human resource. Oh, reasons no. Me imagine the me say kojo, but I mention imagine kaka. What I'm saying here tagi kojo top case or kojo komfo kojo eyi.
Yeah.
Unum say Ghana kasa, sumai kasa. Kojo ebe ye kojo ni nyame na na ehira.
Okay.
So chance ye ne nipa kojo top the bia
no. Obia wa shine bia no enfe ruade. If you be sana mehu no
good enti se wo sha say nipa ni esign obi abedin say le komfo
na enti me fan say top K na omode
and say top K so wa bona tena se wa yi ni bibia enti sa de na kojo no so no so okay
but enkomo a top K ba last week obedi ye no and dey wo kan difference wo
was one kojo air ko
Top K was like this one that president of Boss Nation
President, Boss Nation, CEO.
CEO, yeah.
On the CEO of Boss Nation, and your automatic decision on you take.
On the one, now Muntimunya.
Okay, maybe your Boss Nation, but
I show you our young girls.
Because me tell me buy na you am find free Boss Nation.
I think that Papa must say, the chair Boss Nation they say every morning.
On the day.
I think on the chair Boss Nation.
On the chair.
Oh yeah, like when they the CEO of Boss Nation currently. And I don't know where from.
So now top K Trantana.
Top K, I think say Weezy moving out from the Boss Nation, so Empire. No, I think say in 7 years soon. Could you know one and tell me first name take dance, but friend church and lady Arsenal. Eh, enough for me who are fan.
And they say last week top K Baha on his Baha. Or more the catch them say, I will show ya Casasu. Say, all money Lilwin a J. Jumaye.
Top K Lilwin a J. Jumaye.
Zach is only Lilwin a J. Jumaye.
Zach Lilwin J. Jumaye.
He said it right here.
Papa didn't just only the fan J. Jumaye.
I don't know, Chammy, who was a would you be a Samaka?
The women job as a man because yeah, someone needs ain't a me.
No, and he said it. On one Casado Musso was one in the way, J. Jumaye. Why are you, why would you China who just only Boss Nation be no? Who say, Omunia Jumaye? I don't know if I make us a young woman, J. Jumaye, and I say because these two captives, they need each other. And then I say, share Emma Bibia say, a Bessie and Parampara so much J. Jumaye. Hey. So Papa Pacho, some men know can say. Last week, Obaha. I know catch him say, show yasu. And some man feel behind me. Sabaclay, eh. So now the Betusua, that means is confirmed. Also by and Zach and original right, also by our baby declared and also left. Papa, Zach, Akum, so person could you begin my plan. To say, yes, and Yakodan before. Young person moving in moment and that's it. And two gems sent to Quadio, but Framobeka. You say, yeah, so problem Ben or some problem that's all catching. Problem getting Yana Zach, one woman so Yana entertain Comosia. Hello. Yeah, that is what I say. Way pa. Some medium they come at do one. Mbeja o mo kasake to evidence abetra he. For pressure.